I'd like to remind again everybody that, the democracy was really conceived by our forefathers to be one that is really working. Kaya nga may demokrasya because there is a periodic election. The president, you are served there for about 6 years, then alis ka, another one. And for the mayors and the rest of the officials of government. Talagang elected. Mabuti yan eh. So it is intended, ang mahirap kasi may mga politiko na medyo may mentality na mga gangster, yan papasok. Wag ninyong ano yan. Baski sa ating grupo, lalo na yung magdala-dala ng armas, tapos walang mangyari niyan. Sisirain lang ang bayan natin yan. Look for somebody na talagang would stand for what is right and what is really just.